New Republic is a company focusing on wireless headphones, earphones, and true wireless devices. Today I have this package containing the REBOP 3 wireless earphones. I personally use Starboy 3 made by the same company, which was not bad in terms of music experience. So I would be comparing them from time to time for an overview for both. Claiming 15 hours of music time and 400 hours of standby, the device comes with their X-Bass technology for bass lovers. The product is priced at 3000 rupees, whereas you can buy this from their website for 1000 rupees. Let's see what it's worth. Let's get started. So my first impression is average packaging, nothing fancy about it. Moving on, let's open it up. Okay, it's upside down. So okay, okay. What we have here is a product description card. There is another one that says music gets me high. Well, that's kind of true. Then we have a USB charging cable, almost as long as my palm. They definitely don't want us to play music while charging. Finally, here is the Bluetooth neckband. Although it says 3 numbers of ear gels and ear stabilizers are provided, I got only one of each. Wonder why that is. Moving on, the neckband is made of plastic and flexible rubber. You can see how flexible it is. The plastic have a premium finish and rubber portion looks like, well, rubber, but in a durable way. The left and right marking is made on the plastic body. The power button, volume up and down buttons are located at the left stem along with LED lights and probably microphone. And the keys are quite sturdy. Both ends of earphone is magnetic for extra protection. Powering on the band is accompanied by a small message and it also informs you are connected by a robotic voice, unlike an ordinary tone like my Starboy headphone. Coming to fitting, the ear gel and stabilizer that I got are made of same material and it fits in my ear perfectly. The Bluetooth needs to be paired with your device first, but then on it picks up automatically. The battery percentage is also displayed along with device name on Bluetooth menu. The neckband stays on for 5 minutes before switching off if any device is not connected within that time. Coming to audio quality, I think the audio quality is quite good. The volume is also good. 50% of volume was more than sufficient for me. Unlike my Starboy 3 headphone, there was no button for switching from ordinary mode to X-Bass mode. I think the bass is enhanced within the device before reaching my ear. Anyway, it sounds good. The microphone is also very good for voice calling, but it do not support Google Assistant. You can't also use this to record audio. The music pause or play is done by power button. The music forward or backward is done by long pressing the volume up or volume down buttons respectively. The battery percentage was 90% when it reached me. I haven't charged it until it stopped working. I got around 12 hours. Coming to charging, you can either charge it from laptop or PC or power bank, or you can use a mobile charger and let it hang on the cable. Either way, it takes around 3 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. Talking about connectivity, the expected operational distance I observed is around 20 feet in open area where there is no obstacles, whereas it drops down to 15 feet when there is a 6-inch concrete wall in between. You can correlate this depending on your obstacles. So if you are facing the phone, you get better range compared to like when you are facing opposite, because Bluetooth receiver is located near switch panel. So when you turn around, your body is another obstacle, which is not a problem for over-the-ear headphones like Starboy 3. Not many earphones let you connect multiple devices at once, but this one does. If you have paired it with two phones earlier, both devices will connect together if Bluetooth is on, and if we pause audio from one device, we can play music from other device. For me, it's an added advantage. What about you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Overall, these are the pros I observed. Good speaker and mic quality at this price range, flexibility and lightweight, Bluetooth 5.0 support, good battery backup. The con side, there is no Google Assistant, it's not sweat proof or it's not waterproof. Also, I didn't got extra ear gels and ear stabilizers. That's it guys, as usual. Thank you so much for watching. Ask out any queries or suggestions or comments in the comment section. Subscribe this channel to receive future videos. I'll see you next time.